Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady coming to you from behind the scenes at the Philadelphia Flower Show. And I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into the exhibit that I am helping put together. I have actually been renamed Bree the Paint Lady because I have been a very busy painter. You can see these are some of the walls that are going in. There's still more to be installed. We have a lot more to do, as you can see around, but I'm going to take you around real quick. So this is the first time that the Philadelphia Flower Show has ever been outside, so it's a little bit more like Chelsea in England. And you see all those plants staged over there. Those are all for this exhibit. Right now, it's just the big B&B trees, and there's a lot of Magnolia macrocarpa, the big leaf native magnolia. Got large taxodium ascendens, which are really awesome. In fact, let me show you these needles. So, you know, taxodiums are a deciduous conifer, and these needles kind of like go up instead of droop down. And you have to look at this. There's so many flower buds on the magnolia. Here's one that's starting to open. It smells so good. And the theme for this show is habitat. And there's Pat. Say hi.
Hey.
Here's the designer.
What are you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh no. Oh no.
So,
Do I need to sign a waiver?
maybe. So they brought these trees in, and overnight a bird made a nest. You can't see it, but there's actually like robins that have like laid eggs in this nest. So I think it is a legit habitat, even though it's a temporary installation in FDR Park in downtown Philadelphia. So there's a lot of trees still to go in. These are going to kind of fill in some of the gaps in the outer area. All native plants to show what a habitat would be like here in this area. And all of this still has to go in. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Here's some of the team. And I want to show you the other side where all the plants are. So here's one section of the herbaceous material that's going to go inside, basically like a broke down structure. So these are going to be walls adjacent. There's going to be tin on the outside edge here, and then all of these plants. It's going to look awesome. Great plant palette. All things that should be planted in your home landscapes, from blueberries to carex and ornamental grasses and salvias. Lots of cool stuff. My favorite for sure are these low bush blueberries that actually have ripe fruit on them. Look at those. Hi everybody. It's been a super busy 2 days, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek into the design garden that helped install here at the Philly Flower Show. I'll totally do a walkthrough later on after judging finishes. Hi everybody, I am here at the Philly Flower Show. It's officially open, and I want to give you a peek into the exhibit that I got to help work on with my good friend Patrick Cullina, really talented designer based out of New York City. And well, without further ado, let's turn the camera around. Well, this is my favorite view. I absolutely adore these recycled shutters. You can see the habitat theme here at the Philadelphia Flower Show 2021. It's really well examined in this exhibit, using primarily native plants and used in recycled materials, all of which are going to be repurposed after the show. So the stars of the show for sure are these amazing Magnolia macrophyllus, and they have been blooming, and the bees have been going crazy, and visitors are totally intrigued with these giant tropical fragrant magnolias. The perennials that are used are all really well suited for, you know, general landscape zones like 5 to 8, including shade-loving plants like Quercus and Stipa, different types of ferns, sassafras, of course lots of different salvias, and persicaria there in the center. Stachys is that pink. Of course, my biggest contribution to this was that I painted everything. So I'm really proud of the paint job. What do y'all think? I think Pat's color choices are really dynamic with this purple on this wall and then the indigo on the center walls. Pat, smile.
Hi.
Say hi.
Who am I saying hi to?
YouTube.
Oh, hello, YouTube. Hey, do you know aliens are among us?
They are
Give me
in this
few layers.
planting. So let me take you around the sides.
Water.
So the side areas are filled again with native plants, lots of different species of oaks and beeches. This was a feat to put together, y'all. This, like, because when I got here Wednesday morning, none of these walls were installed. It was just a pile, literally a pile of scrap. So it's really extraordinary to see it all actually come to fruition. People are really enjoying going through it and, you know, interacting in the space in a meaningful way. And we got electricity today, so that's cool. Baptisias around this side, they're a little droopy. Everything needs some water. Then over here, my favorite spot to sit, these absolutely incredible short chairs from the talented Dan Benarzik, who made these custom for this exhibit. They are so comfortable, they're lightweight and versatile, and Dan, I'm putting this on YouTube to tell you that I need some of these chairs in my home garden. But I really love the view from in here on this side. It's just a peaceful, very tranquil retreat that I think defines the urban habitat that we could be experiencing with more thoughtful landscape choices as we renovate urban spaces across the country. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my brief behind the scenes tour here at the Philadelphia Flower Show. If you have the opportunity, come up. It's an absolutely fantastic experience. It's 15 acres outside for the first time ever in FDR Park, and you'll see so much diversity in all the displays and lots of educational material. It's totally worth your while, and if you can't make it this year, mark your calendars for next year, because the Philadelphia Flower Show and the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society do an absolutely extraordinary job supporting gardening throughout the state and the state of Pennsylvania and the city of Philadelphia, and it's a model that I wish was replicated in more states across the United States. So I'm going to bid you all farewell and enjoy my evening. I appreciate you tuning in, and I hope you've enjoyed.